as you know, we are always on the hunt for crafting and creative inspiration. And today in the Studio 5 Project Corner comes an idea that would be fun to make with your girlfriends. So check this out.
Hey Studio 5, I am Mandy Beyeler with Sugary Crafts. Welcome to my craft room. I'm excited to have you guys here and show you a little bit of what I've been working on. Today I'm working on these signs, which are so cute. And they come together really easily. So these two I did in color. The one I'm working today is more of a neutral one, and it's gonna look like this. So basically, I just cut a stencil, and I have that cut file for you, and I stuck it on a board, and then I painted it. Step is the funnest step. It's where you're gonna peel it up and reveal your project. Come on over, I'll show you how it's going. There's the heart edge, it's looking so good. You're also gonna peel the inside. You might need a little tool. Look at that. I love this part. Isn't that so fun? The grand reveal. That's all there is to it. So you can take a piece of sandpaper and rough it up if you like the more distressed look, or you could leave it as is. You can make a bunch and give them away as gifts. You can make a bunch and put them all over your house. It's just fun. Thanks for joining me here in my craft room. Online, I have Craft Club every Friday where we all get together and craft, so look me up on Facebook at Sugar Bee Crafts, and you can find me on Instagram as well.
Okay, she is as darling as that project, and isn't that fun? I was just saying over this last weekend that I need some more Valentines decor. I need a little more love in my Valentine stash at home, so that's the perfect project. And hey, Mandy mentioned, you heard her say she is sharing the stencil design as a cut file. What that means is it's a free download compatible with Silhouette cutting machines. We'll link you over to that file from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Thanks, Mandy.